Go ahead and find Child's Pose. Stretch your hips back and down as you gently stretch your arms forward. Relax your neck and let your forehead rest slightly on your mat. Start to settle into your breath and relax into the ground beneath you. Pull each inhale down deep into the belly, and then with each exhale, melt a little heavier into your mat. Stay in Child's Pose and slowly walk your hands to the right side. Maybe stack your left hand on top of the right. Keep your hips rooted down and breathe into your left side body. Now walk the hands over to the left. Maybe right hand stacks on top of left. Stay here and stretch the right side body. Walk the hands back to center. Slowly rise up. Now find a seat on your mat. Seated sun salutation. Inhale, sweep the arms out wide and then up to high prayer. Exhale, draw the hands to heart center. Inhale, sweep the arms up. Exhale, lower to heart center. Go a few more times on your own. Easy breaths as you circle. And lower the arms. Seated twist. Bring your right hand behind you and your left hand to your right knee. Inhale, push down through your right hand to sit up tall. Twist right. Exhale, rotate your right ribcage back. Let the breath move freely down into the belly as you twist. Release the twist. Interlace the fingers and inhale, reach the arms up and flip the palms to the sky. Hold here, anchor the hips down and grow even taller. Release. Lower the arms down. Walk your hands behind you and bring your feet in front, about mat's width. Sway the knees from side to side. Come to stillness and find easy seat again. Seated twist, other side. Left hand behind you, right hand to left knee. Inhale, root down through your left hand, grow tall. Twist your left ribcage back. Exhale. Hold the twist and gaze over your left shoulder. Slowly unwind. Find staff. Straighten both legs in front of you. Inhale, press your hands down into the mat and grow tall. Then exhale, hinge from the hips and start to fold forward. Keep the low back long and maybe bring the hands to the thighs or the calves. Then soften your head down. If your hamstrings are tight, you can bend the knees or add height under the hips by sitting on a pillow or a blanket. Let the weight of the head ease you forward. Come back up. Draw the legs in, roll over your shins, and find tabletop. Pigeon pose. Slowly bring the right knee forward and align right knee with right wrist. Then lay the shin bone down and let the back knee rest on the mat. If your right hip is hovering off the ground, stay here, or to make this position a bit less intense, try moving your right heel in toward you. Just try to find a place that feels comfortable. Take a breath in. And exhale, fold forward over the front thigh. Release your forehead to the ground or make a pillow with your arms and lay your head on your forearms. Stay here and check in with your breath as you relax everything down into the mat. Slowly rise. Now move to lizard. Firm your hands into the mat, press up, and step the right foot to the outside edge of your right hand. Keep the back knee resting lightly on the mat, then melt the hips down. Feel the left hip flexor release. Check in and see how things feel. Maybe you can go a bit deeper into the pose now. Find your next point of resistance and breathe there. Make your way back to tabletop. Pigeon, left side. Bring the left knee forward and align left knee to left wrist and lay the shin bone down. Again, find a place that feels comfortable. If the left hip is hovering off the mat, maybe move the left heel in toward you. Inhale here. Exhale, fold. Just soften here. Release your shoulders, release your neck, completely relax your thighs. Continue surrendering everything down into the mat. Let everything soften. Slowly rise back up. Move to lizard. Ground the hands down and press up. Then step the left foot just outside your left hand. Once you're there, soften the hips down. Feel the right hip flexor begin to lengthen. We're about halfway through the hold. Keep the breath slow and deep. Come back to tabletop. Half Hanuman. Step the right foot forward and then straighten the leg and flex the foot. Hips way back. Flex the front foot. Take a big inhale and lengthen the spine. Exhale, fold over the extended leg. Bend the front knee if you need to here and send breath into the back of the right hamstring. Inhale, rise back up. Return to tabletop. Other side. Step the left foot forward and then lengthen the leg. Hips shift back. Flex the front toes back. Breathe in and brighten through the chest. Then breathe out and fold over the front leg. Bend the front knee as much as you need to and breathe deeply as the left hamstring lengthens. Rise back up. Come back to tabletop. Transition to lying on your back. Slowly pull your knees up into your chest. Exhale, knees to the left. Reach your right arm to the right. Gaze right. Just settle in here and let everything be heavy. Unwind. Bring the knees back to center. Other side. Knees to the right. Gaze left. Exhale. Allow the body to settle here. Everything relaxed. Everything heavy. Release the twist, then slowly pull your knees up into your chest. Take a final breath in. Exhale, Shavasana. Release the legs out long. Let the feet separate wide and relax the toes to the sides. Turn the palms up and start to find stillness. Feel free to stay here in Shavasana for as long as you'd like. Thank you for sharing your practice with us.